How to convert image to PDF on Mac. In this video, I'll show you how to make pictures or screenshots into PDF files on your MacBook laptop. So the first step is to go ahead and find your picture, image, screenshot, whatever it is in whatever file format on your MacBook device. Then you want to go ahead and click on it, double click on it to open it up, and it should automatically open up in the little preview section like you can see right here. Then you want to go ahead and go to the top left hand corner where it says file, go ahead and click on that. Then you should be able to click on export as PDF. There, if you click save, it should save as a PDF file to wherever you want to. For most of you, it'll be on the desktop. You can change it, or you can click on export like so. Then you can go ahead and change it to a PDF or any one of these other files as well. Change where you want to save it to, click save, and it will save it there as a PDF file. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the PDF file and it's complete. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.